What type of copy were you doing? Like, so you went from your uncles, and then what did you do? Did you go straight into real estate?
Um,
Like, what did that look like?
no, so I bounced around in jobs because I knew that I wanted to run a business because I saw the lifestyle. Like I lived with my uncle for a year. He's owned a business since he separated from the Marines, and I knew the lifestyle that he had is what I wanted. Like he would some days like we would go hang out, we'd go shooting, we'd go go out to eat, and we would just chill all day. And then there were some days like we were in the office, we were super busy and slammed, and then like we had weeks and weeks and weeks of that, but like it was good stuff. Like we were grinding, building out systems, building stuff that was going to pay us long term. So from there, like I knew business is where I wanted to be, so I found jobs that helped me build on that skill set. But and then there was obviously like some odd jobs, like we had, like I said, we had our first kid at 20, so like some jobs were just out of necessity. Like I was freelancing, doing Infusionsoft projects, so I was building like crazy
Okay.
automation, doing funnel copywriting, stuff like that for people, because I worked at Infusionsoft and then I got let go. And then I had a mentor tell me like, dude, you already have all these skills. Like Infusionsoft is billing you out at like $300 an hour to do this already. Charge 150 and go find clients doing that same thing. So I was doing that, but the only problem is like I was making 5-6 grand a month, which is great, when you're first newlywed. But like insurance just came around at the time with Obamacare. It was stupid expensive. And then we started to have more kids. So I was like, dude, I need some insurance. So went and got a job, but I was still always freelancing on the side. And I never really had a business where I focused 100% on, what were the outcomes could I solve? What was the value that I was providing? It was like, I was just a technician, essentially, is the way I
Yep.
think about it. I can fix this problem. I can build this system, or I can do this. So it always remained as just a side gig until I like finally figured out like how to put a valuable offer together that has longevity, that can solve problems for multiple people, and doing it kind of reverse engineering of looking like what's the outcome, who are the people that get value from this, and then serving that audience. So yeah, email copywriting led me into freelancing. I freelanced probably for 3 or 4 years, while I was working, odd in jobs. And then I got hired as a director of marketing at a company because I basically rebuilt their entire website with new copy, new funnel automations, and they basically got rid of their entire marketing team. So they're like, you got the job. So I came in, hired people, made 25 million bucks for the company, asked for a raise, and they told me no. And I was like, all right, I'm out of here. So
Jeez.
that's how I got into the company I'm in right now with my partner. It was about 3.5 years ago that happened. They were like, I mean, I literally came in with no marketing team, no sales collateral, no email, no marketing, no nothing. Made $25 million for the company my first year. I think our quota, they wanted to say it was like 32 million. So we fell a little bit short, but it was just me and I had one assistant. And then by the time I left, we had 3 people on the team. We were always hitting our numbers. And I asked for a raise, and they straight up told me no. And I was like, I can't do it. I'm out of here. So that was when I was like, I'm done. Like, not going back and getting a job, not for insurance reasons, not for nothing. Like, just gonna make enough money and I'll figure it out. So